She was murdered. We then found out through a buddy of ours that the dad was connected to organized crime. We represented the mom and the ex-wife against the dad and the ex-husband. There were 13 issues. One of the main issues was child support, obviously. Turned out that this guy, he had the money whenever he wanted to buy things like a boat, house, vacations. When it came time to actually paying child support, the dude was dead broke. So the Friday before trial that started on Monday, I literally spent, and when I say literally spent all weekend, reconciling about 4 or 5 years worth of financial records. We found, and they even produced like federal loan applications where the guy said his monthly income was a certain amount. Well, on his tax return that he filed with the IRS, there's no way. And it was pretty uncomfortable in the moment because we got to a point where my buddy was doing the direct on the guy so bad to where the guy, no matter what he said, he was lying. It was to the point where judge had to stop everything, call us up to the bench, tell the guy's lawyer to take him back in the jury deliberation room and tell him about his Fifth Amendment rights against self-incrimination and perjury. It was bad. And it wasn't what the guy was saying, but we had everything backed up with his signatures on documents. When the judge tells us that, we both walk back to the table. You know, we kind of look at each other and it's like, this never even happens in movies, dude. Like, what the are we doing? Long story short, trial got delayed for various reasons, but then something happened to the mom's sister, which is kind of where they dropped off the kid for between visitation. She was murdered. We then found out through a buddy of ours that the dad was connected to organized crime. Looking back, I never took the same road home. I slept at different places throughout, the next couple of weeks, and then we found out that we had nothing to worry about through law enforcement. We were talking about after this was all said and done, I was like, I don't even know why we're upset or like nervous because they don't even go after the attorneys in the movies. As soon as I said that, a couple of months later, up in Denton County, a couple of family lawyers got shot out walking outside the courthouse.
Holy.
So that's why I now do personal injury law. I can be comfortable with being that uncomfortable, but not where I'm having to, watch my back walking out of the courthouse.